here at Sanibel Inn. So I guess we're gonna stay one of those room up there, either the pink one or the blue one, and that one is facing to the beach. So this is the patio area. Here's the living room. It's like a condo. And yan, all the furniture really looks nice. It has a kitchen, dining table. Got TV here. The mirror. Here's the bedroom. So pretty. It has a sliding door to get to the balcony. It has TV. There's a really nice big bathroom here with a sliding glass door. It's nice also. Okay, and then it's a dining area. It's a nice big mirror. It's the kitchen. It's a nice style here. I like the style of this condo. It's big fridge, an oven, there's a kitchen, has a washer. Now let's go check out the kids' room.
Is this a heat controller?
There's the kids' room. Turn the lights on, sweetie.
Here's a USB center right here.
Two beds for the kids.
Oh, that's a fan control. Yeah.
Got TV
Oh,
also.
that's cool.
And here's the bathroom.
Fan off. Light. There we go.
But the problem is, this room is facing the elevator. It's the elevator. And we're at the second floor. So we're called and check if we can find another room not close to the elevator. So we're still waiting before we can unpack our things. Okay?
Cool.
So we'll wait for a bit. I think we're waiting for a call to get transferred to another one. And there's the view. It's a pretty view, but we would like to get to that blue one. Hopefully they have a available room, either that dark blue one or this light blue one. Okay. So in the meantime, we're just waiting, right? Waiting to get transferred. We have available room somewhere on these two rooms there. Then we can go and see the beach after.
They have two pools here. I don't know where the
I
second
think I
one
only
is.
see that pool. Not sure the second.
So what they have is you can call the restaurant and get carry out, come back to your room and eat it,
Oh, okay.
but they don't deliver to your room.
Okay. Here's the pool area. It's a nice size. Let's go to see the beach. So this is the rental here. We can rent on this bike, or we can just grab bikes and go.
Come on, Mom.
It's a nice boardwalk here. We have a rental for bikes.
Come on, Mom.
And here you can play games here. What type of games is that, Dana? Where
I
you
forgot. It's like
you throw it in a hole, like a basket. So this is the view here, and our room is somewhere over here.
Mom.
So unfortunately, they are fully booked, so we won't be able to transfer. We're gonna stay on that room for 4 nights next to the elevator.
Well, it's not
So
that big of a
we're
deal
not
to me,
really
'cause I don't
crazy. Well,
See the city from here.
Daddy doesn't like to be next to the elevator.
Let's see if we just stand
We
out
need
against the
private
horizon.
because
Yeah, they do.
we paid
It looks like they're in the water.
this hotel, so we need to have a good service.
Skyscraper.
Let's see the beach here.
Yep.
Nice sand beach. White. Oh, look at that. You can see the city there.
Yeah, I pointed
The
that out to you.
buildings. And nice and soft.
I can't feel it. Sand can't
Nice
get in
view
these shoes unless
here.
they like get in them.
Oh,
I would zero.
Sand can't get in the shoes unless they get in them.
this is
I
Sanibel
didn't know that.
Inn.
That's so cool.
Sanibel Island. Sanibel
I'm gonna
Island.
take off this bracelet. It's really moist and I hate it.
See that? It's nice. It's pretty here. Look at that little bird. Look at that little bird, Dana. Dana, look at those little birds. They run so fast. Dana, look at this. Look at this.
Yes, I saw.
Look the way they run. It's so cute. It's bringing something.
Mom has never seen a bird before.
There's a lot of shell that you can pick. This one, Dana's pretty. This one, Dana, this one.
You got a few.
Oh, that's pretty. This one, huh?
As far as the videos for Sanibel Inn, we've been home a couple months right now, and I have to say I'm still very upset with the way we were treated there for the amount of money we paid, which was a lot. And they advertised themselves as this, you know, beautiful paradise resort. And the reality is, you know, yeah, they have a nice beach with tide pools. They have a nice pool, and it's noisy at night. You can't enjoy yourself in a nice quiet setting and listen to the waves crash. The people around you, you can hear them just like in a Holiday Inn hotel. So, you know, as far as the amount of money they charge, all I can say is that the room was very dated. It needed repairs. And I would have to say that there's much better places. In fact, on our trip, we stayed at better places for 1/3 of the price. So my take is, as far as this hotel goes, is keep looking. If you're thinking about staying there, for me personally, I have to give it a big thumbs down as far as a recommendation. And that's what I have to say about Sanibel.